name is Jim Notarfrancesco, and I am the Strategic Market Director for the transit market at Marmon IEI. The transit market at Marmon IEI is built upon two distinct business units. We have a rolling stock business unit and a transit infrastructure business unit. And both of those units together make up what we call the transit market at Marmon IEI. I came to the wire and cable industry quite by accident. I had a friend who worked at Marmon, and when I graduated from college, he encouraged me to apply for a job there. And what's really more important is I stayed because I enjoyed the work, and I especially enjoyed the people that I worked with at Marmon. I've been involved with many very rewarding projects in my time at Marmon. On the rolling stock side, we are currently involved in the New York City Transit R211 project, which is the largest and most important transit car project in New York City in the last several decades. On the infrastructure side, we are currently involved with two very large transit infrastructure projects. One being the REM project, which is a system being put in the greater Montreal area, and the second being the Hampton Roads project, which is down in Virginia. Both of these projects are very large and very important to the regions that they will serve. One of the projects that we're involved in is the Hampton Roads project. The original design that the contractor was going to install on this project wasn't really the best solution for the project. So we worked with the contractor and the engineer, and we redesigned the fire safety system to something that was more appropriate for that particular project, and also will help them to complete the project faster, because it will be a type of system which they can install faster and move along at a better pace. A lot of the cable that we supply goes into critical applications and into life safety systems within the transit industry. And I rest easily at night knowing that the products that we have designed in and that we are supplying for these critical circuits will work as intended in the event that there is a catastrophic incident, which I hope and pray never happens. Get a call from a customer who's already spoken to another supplier. We notice that the other manufacturer or supplier will try to supply a cheaper solution, one that may not really fit the application. At Marmon, we don't do that. We do not cut corners. We are not always interested in supplying the cheapest alternative. We design and create and supply a solution that will be for the intended purpose and will work flawlessly. Marmon IEI has such diverse manufacturing capabilities that we are able to supply such a variety of products that we can create a solution for any problem or application that any customer may have. In fact, in many instances, we can be a one-stop shop on a project and supply all the needed cable that will be on the project. I wish the one thing that more people understood about Marmon IEI is the diversity of manufacturing capability. Under the Marmon IEI umbrella, we encompass 6 manufacturing facilities that are able to supply a huge diversity of cable for every application, and we are able to supply complete bills of materials for projects. The new NFPA 70 National Electric Code has made a big change to fire rating of cable systems. One of the ways to fire rate a cable system is to use what's called concrete encasement. In the new NEC, the amount of concrete that is going to be necessary to achieve a 2-hour fire rating is going to increase from 2 inches to 5 inches. This is going to make this particular type of system much more expensive and will make cables, fire-rated cable solutions, a much better option. Customers are not really completely up to speed on all of our capabilities, and they'll ask a question like, do you make this type of cable? Or are you able to make a cable for this particular application? And most of the time, the answer is yes, because we do have such a diverse manufacturing capability. Here at Marmon IEI, we are constantly upgrading our capabilities, our manufacturing capabilities, as well as our R&D capabilities. We have a great innovation and technology center, which is constantly working on new materials for insulations and jacketing materials. I believe this will position us well to supply engineered cable solutions in the future. My primary job here at Marmon IEI is to supply cables into the transit industry, whether that be into the rolling stock or on-car part of the industry or to the infrastructure segment of the industry. The cables we design and sell into these applications are designed and built to exceed the specifications for which they were intended. The cables that we design and sell into the transit industry are cables that we're trying to just bring from a different industry into that application. These cables from the outset are designed to work in these specific harsh environment applications. My role in 3 words is find the solution. When a customer comes to us with a specific problem or has to have a cable designed for a specific application, we go to work and find the solution that will work best in that application. Marmon IEI will never compromise on quality. All the products that will be a product that will outperform what is intended by specification. We sell quality products for specific applications. The power of one means to me diverse cable solutions for diverse applications. We have a great deal of capabilities and diversity of product, and we can find the right solution to any customer problem or application. For more information on Marmon's transit and rolling stock cable products, please call 1-800-327-7625.